everyone. Today we are going to discuss about what are the uses of map, and this is under the chapter Introduction to Maps in grade 11 Practical Geography. Okay, so let's go. So commonly there are three uses of map. First one is measurement of distance. Like in all the maps we had discussed in previous topic also. In all the maps we always get scale, okay, though that scale we get in graphical way. So here I am just showing you the example. Like if the scale is given 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. Okay, so this is our scale. What we should do is, if I have to find out distance between two places, for example this is place A and this is place B. So what I will do is, first I need to draw a line with the help of scale. So see, I am drawing a line, and on map this is 3 centimeter. Now how would I know what is the distance between these two places is, our scale was 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. It means 3 centimeter is equal to 3 into 10. So the distance between two places would be 3 into 10 kilometer is equal to 30 kilometer. It means distance between place A and B is 30 kilometer. So this is the way we could find out the distance between two areas. But what if the areas are curved? If the areas are not straight, like how to find out the distance of if one area is here and if the area is curved and all. So in that case what we could do is, we can take a thread. Okay, so we'll put one point of thread here, and then we'll put wherever we have boundaries, we'll take our thread in the same way, and then we'll find out what is the actual distance in centimeter with the help of the thread, and we'll do the same process. Okay, so with this method we could find out the distance between two places. Second use of map is to get the directions, like we have discussed before also. Altogether major we have 4 directions. We call them cardinal points, that is north, south, east and west, and we can subdivide these cardinal points into 16 other directions. Like if I am making a line direction here, so name of this direction would be north and east. This would be south and east. Please make sure we have to keep north and south as the main line, base line. Okay, so it will be easy for you to remember, even it will be easy for you to give them names. Now in the same way, name of this line would be south and west, and the same way this direction is north and west. So like this we have got 8 directions. Now we can further divide. We can make a line here, direction here, and name of this direction would be north, north, east. Name of this direction would be, as I told, we have to keep always north and south as the baseline. So name of this line would be, we will start from here, south and this, south, west, because this direction is in between these two lines. So we will start from south, and so south and southwest. Now name of, if we are making this here, so again we will start from south. So name of this line would be, since this is south is here, south, west and west. So like this we are getting 16 directions. So like if we have to find our direction, we'll check where are we standing. So whenever we see the map, in map you'll get the on right side, you'll always get an arrow like this and written, and it shows like on the top side they have shown north direction, and if on the top it is not, so we can find out other directions. Even in previous years, like the people, old people, they used to say like where are you going? If you ask the question, they used to say, I'm going towards the north or towards the south, or the front mouth of my home is towards south. Okay, so they used to talk like that. So these are the directions. So with the help of map we could find out our direction also, like especially the people like the pilots and all, even the people those who uses ships, marines and all, they also use these directions, because when the pilot is flying a plane, pilot won't be able to see like where to go. So they need to read all these cardinal points, and they read directions, and with the help of these directions only they can reach their destination. And the last one, third one, the most important is measurement of area. So if we have a map, we could find out the area also, like what is the exact area of any of the place. And for that we have a formula, that is sum of whole squares plus sum of partial squares divided by 2 into max scale. So max scale we have this 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. As I told, on max you will get this in a graphical form, which we will read in next chapters. So there are 3 ways to represent a scale. Normally on maths you will get graphical, and this way is known as statement scale. When we simply say like 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer or 1 lakh, whatever it is. So that is statement scale. Now let's move to this one. For this, if you do this solution with the help of a graph, it will be easy for you. So since I do not have graph right now, so I am trying to show you here on the board only. So okay, my graph is this. So since in graphs you get all the squares before only, it's all printed. So I am just trying to make a graph, since a graph consists of all the square lines. So I am just trying to make square lines. Now there, make the map with all the squares. Like if you see the map on atlas also, you will get latitudes and longitudes. So all that is squares, and all these lines they have different names. Okay. So for example, if right now I am making, I'm just trying to make southern portion. Okay. So this is my southern portion of India. Now let's count how many whole squares we have. See, this is not complete whole. So I have got 1 whole square, 2 whole square, 3, 4, 5. This is also not whole, 6 and 7, 8. So all together here I have got 8 whole squares. So I'll just do this solution here only. This is number 3. Okay. So the sum of whole square is, there are 8 whole squares plus sum of partial squares. Let's check it out how many. As partial means it could be half, 1/4, whatever it is. What is not complete, that is partial. So partial we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. There are 14 partial squares divided by 2. And into our scale is, max scale is 1 centimeter represents 10 kilometer. So we will just write down 1 divided by 10. Now do the solution. 2 ones are 2, 2 7s are 14. So it is 8 plus 7 into 1, 7 divided by 10. So we can directly find out the LCM. It would be 10. Here it is 80 plus 7. It means it will be 87 by 10. It shows that our area is 8.7 square kilometer. Okay, because we have area we always measure in square kilometer. So our answer is 8.7 square kilometer. So these are the benefits which we can get via maps. So this was for today. Thank you so much.